Morning. Well, I've never started a video going backwards before, but then again, I've never started a video following a Lycan Hypersport either. This is going to be a phenomenal day. So, this is the one that I've been waiting for. This is the video that for me is truly kicking off 2017. We are heading up a road called Jebel Jays, which is in Ras Al Khaimah, and it basically looks like the Middle Eastern Stelvio Pass. It's the Col du Turini of Ras. Yeah, and we couldn't have picked three more interesting cars. Well, certainly one of them, the Lycan Hypersport. So last time that I saw this car was in Fast and Furious, or should I say Furious 7, and it was hurtling itself through a pair of skyscrapers, as you do. But now we get to play with it ourselves. Today, I'm just gonna immerse you in the whole experience of what it's like being on the road, and an incredible driving road, in 650S Spider, 488 Spider, and a Lycan Hypersport. Let's hit it. Alright, naturally our first stop of the morning is the petrol station. All cars do need fuel, but particularly our two, the 488 and the 650S after yesterday's journey. And today, because we're heading deep into the mountain ranges, we're going to be quite far away from any other fuel source. So first thing, fill up, because once we get out there, we're going to be miles away from anything, which I can't be more excited about. And to be joined by something like this is an incredibly special occasion. Just look at it. It's the first time I've seen it just now joining us on the road. It's just got so much presence, and it looks like nothing I have ever seen. Look at the sculpture on this thing. These layers of carbon. Oh, but so far, take it from me, this is absolutely awesome. This is it, we are at the road. Ollie's just back left of me in the 488. We've got the roof down. Car is in active, sport. Let's do it! Woohoo! Oh my God! This road! Oh! I tell you one thing, when the Middle East decide to do something, they do it right. This is like the fastest alpine pass you could possibly design. Woo! It's 3 lanes! 3 lanes wide! It's absolutely stuff. Imagine taking an alpine road and being able to drive it at 100 miles an hour. Wow. Switchbacks for days. That's a good job we bought the fuel tank, because I'm going to be going up and down this all day long. Oh my good lord! Woo! Woo-hoo! Wow! Some people like sex, some people love rock and roll, but me! The perfect car on the perfect road is phenomenal! Absolutely sets my arse alight! Wow! What a phenomenal piece of engineering! The McLaren ain't bad either. Wow. I mean, they should run competitions up here. This is a downforce road. This road is so fast. I'm gonna take a break. I'm like, I don't know where Ollie's gone. He was behind me. And my GoPro's still on the car, so that's a bonus. Wow. Here he is. Let's just have a word with him and see what he thinks. I'm in the way of his drift zone. Hold on a minute. Off we go again! He's gonna try and pitch it sideways. Go on, son! Hold on. Oh my god. Oh wow. Ollie, where is he? Come and talk to me about that drive. Come and talk to me.
I feel like
we're still coming down off that.
I feel like we should be arrested.
We should be arrested for that. Honestly, I've had some drives. It's hard to exaggerate enough how that was probably the drive of my life. The drifts this guy was getting. I'm still coming down off that. I feel like I've been on a genuine like thrill ride.
It's like the world's longest street track.
Yeah, it really is. All of that is 3 lanes wide. So think of that snaky strip down there as what a motorway would be like in England.
It's sort of international race circuit wide.
It cost $80 million to build, and it's purely a driving road because it doesn't lead to anything.
Well, this is it. It goes there, and that's it. That's a dead end, isn't it? So it's pure indulgence. So right now it's not finished. Apparently they're building an extra 10K in addition to that. So which only means we've got to come back next year.
Yeah, okay.
Really? Yeah. Done, job done. Whew. Good God, that was one hell of a ride. This is it. We are at the summit of Jebel Jays. The funny thing about it right now is, and I guess the best thing about it right now, that it actually doesn't lead to anywhere. Namely because the road is still in progress, it's still being built. So as far as access roads go to, right now its only purpose is just to drive for driving's sake. Of course it's been extra empty for us because the police have very kindly closed it. But in terms of roads, it ticks all the boxes. It's relatively safe because, well, first of all, it's 3 lanes wide and there's big concrete barriers blocking off these incredible cliff faces. The tarmac is amazing and beautifully smooth with loads of grip, and the views are out of this world stunning. Today, I guess, has been such a bucket list moment, having access to a road like this but closed so we can just privately play around on it. It's been a phenomenal experience. So yeah, massive thank you to Raz Al Khaimah for organising this. Anyway guys, 2017 is just getting warmed up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Ciao.